Oh, yo! Severe weather, severe weather, severe weather, severe weather.
The National Weather Service in Upton has issued a flash flood warning for eastern Suffolk County and southeastern New York until 3 a.m. At 11:59 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1 and 3 inches of rain have fallen. The expected rainfall rate is 1 to 2 inches in 1 hour. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 3 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Riverhead, Southold, Southampton, West Hampton, Sag Harbor, Bridgehampton, Gardeners Island, Nyack, Shelter Island, Greenport, Shinnecock Hills,